Next equation, x minus 3y equal to 6. This is our equation number 4. So if I take x equal to 0, 0 minus 3y equal to 6, minus 3y equal to 6, y equal to into minus 3 comes to this side, 6 by minus 3, okay, which is equal to minus 2. Here point is x0, y minus 2, okay. In same way, I take y value 0. Here I get x equal to 6, okay. Here point is 6 comma 0. Next, if x equal to 1, we get y equal to minus 5 by 3. See this value? This is the fractional value. So some difficult to plot the graph. Skip this point. Next, if x equal to 2, we get y value minus 4 by 3. So this is also fractional value. So skip this point. We have 2 points. Okay, 0 comma minus 1, 6 comma 0. Write these values in tabular column. 0, minus 2, 6, 0. Okay, we have 2 points. Let's plot the graph. Draw x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis, here scale is 1 unit equal to, I take 7. Y. See these values, x values, 0, minus 42, 7, 14. Okay, these are the 7 multiples. Okay, these are something big values. Okay, so I take 1 unit equal to 7, 7, 14, 21 and so on. Okay, on y-axis, scale is 1 unit equal to 1. Okay, so let's plot the graph. First point, 0 comma 6, x0, y6. This point is 0 comma 6. Next, minus 42 comma 0, minus 42 comma 0. Okay, next point, 7 comma 7, 7, y-axis 7. This point is 7 comma 7. Next, 14 comma 8, 14 comma 8. This point is 14 comma 8. Okay, connect all the points. Here we get straight line. Okay, this line represent equation 1. Equation 1 is x minus 7y. X minus 7y equal to minus 42. Okay, so next table, next point is 0 comma minus 2, 0 minus 2. This point is 0 comma minus 2. Next point, 6 comma 0, 6 comma 0. Here this is 3.5, 6 something here, 6 comma 0. This point is 6 comma 0. Okay, so we have only 2 points. Okay, so I take, if x equal to 21, if x equal to 21, I get y value 5. Okay, here point is 21 comma 5. Next, if I take x equal to 42, 42, y value I get 12. Okay, next point, 42 comma 12. Okay, 21 comma 5. This point is 21 comma 5. Next point, 42 comma 12, 42 comma 12. This point is 42 comma 12. Okay, connect the points by using scale. See this graph, we get straight line. This line represent equation 2. Equation 2 is nothing but x minus 3y equal to 6. X minus 3y equal to 6. Okay, so these two lines are intersecting at single point at 42 comma 12. Okay, here on x axis 42, x value equal to 42, y value 12. Okay, so x value is nothing but father's age. Okay, father's age, and y value is daughter's present age. Daughter's present age. Okay, this is the graphical representation. Have a look. Here we get unique key solution. Okay, two lines are intersecting at single point. Okay.